Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a Madam Glam set. I'm going to be doing it on my left hand. As you can see, I have stuck some full cover tips on. Really nice shape, I love these. I've just stuck this on with regular nail glue for the purpose of the video. So I'm starting off by using Madam Glam's rubber base coat, which is called Laos. And I'm going to do a full coat of that on the pointer finger and the ring finger. Now, Madam Glam has challenged us YouTubers to create a set of nails to celebrate their 9th birthday. So yeah, this month is Madam Glam's 9th birthday. Happy birthday, Madam Glam. And they're having a contest and they've challenged us YouTubers to create a set of nails, theme being birthday or anniversary, and everyone that's took part is going to be entered into a contest. Then all Madam Glam followers are going to get to vote their favourite, and then the winner is going to get a Madam Glam gift card. So yeah, these are going to be entered into my very first ever contest. Well excited. So that's a little bit about today's video. Anyone that's not heard of Madam Glam, I just want to let you guys know that Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and HEMA-free. They are amazing quality gels, guys. So once I've applied this Laos, I will pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I did do a second coat off camera just to save time. Oh, guys, look at this label. Oh, my days. It's amazing. So this is one of Madam Glam's hollow gel polishes called Lovesick. Wait until you see this. Look at that. Super holographic. Love it. So I'm going to apply that to the middle nail and the pinky nail. You'll see I have already done the thumbnail off camera. I did that before I started recording because I wasn't quite sure what colour I wanted to use. So yeah, I have done that one off camera. This did need 3 coats. Because I'm applying it over a clear tip, it did need 3 very thin coats. But it is a nice thin consistency anyway, so it's not like it bulks the nails out. You can see that thumbnail's not bulky at all, and that's had 3 coats and a top coat over the top. So I'm going to do the other 2 coats off camera, and that is what they look like. All the base colours down, ready for some nail art. So I've pulled out Madam Glam's purple and ultra pink gel paints and their detail liner brush. And this nail is going to have a cake on the free edge. So I'm starting off by painting a pink line, which is going to be the base to the cake. You know, like the cupcake holder, if you like. So I'm going to start off by just painting a pink line, and then once I'm happy with that, I'll cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Madam Glam gel paints cure for 60 seconds, and their gel polishes cure for 30 in an LED lamp, and 2 minutes for both of them in a UV lamp. So that pink's all cured. Now I'm using the purple gel paint, and I'm going to be painting little squares on top of that pink. And once I'm happy with that, I'll cure that for 60 seconds. So that's all the nail art done. So I'm going to seal all the nails in now with the Madam Glam No White shiny top coat, because the rest of the design is going to be all 3D work now. So I shall let you get on and watch this bit, and then I shall pop back in once that's all fully cured. Right, so I've pulled out Madam Glam's white texture gel paint, my palette and my mixing spatula. I'm popping a little bit of that texture gel paint on my palette, and I'm going to mix some of this Madam Glam's Millennium, which is a really nice light cream, into that. Give it a good mix up with my spatula, and this is going to be the cream for the top of the cake. So I'm using my detail liner brush, and I'm starting off by doing a thick bit, and then I want it to kind of thin off as I go from one side to the other. Now, I wasn't really happy with that brush. I wanted a thicker brush, so I'm going to use the Madam Glam striping brush. And I'm just going to thicken that up a little bit. So like I say, I want it to start off thicker on the left hand side, and then as it comes around to the right hand side, I want it to thin off. And then the next layer of cream, I want to start that from the opposite side. So I want to start that from the right hand side, and I want it to be thicker, and then as it sweeps round to the left hand side, I want it to become thinner again. And I'm just going to keep doing that as I go down the nail. Now between each layer I am flash curing it, because I found if I didn't flash cure it, it all just started moulding into one. So yeah, make sure that you flash cure it in between the layers. So I'm just going to do this last one, and then I'm going to leave a little gap at the top for a cherry on the top. So then I've given that a full cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. Now this is the Madam Glam Mirage gel. It's like a 3D sculpting gel. And I'm mixing some purple pigment into that pigment powder. I'm just going to make sure that's running all the way through that Mirage gel. And then put it between my fingers and roll it into a ball. And you'll see I've popped another little bit on my palette there as well. And I'm going to mix some pink into that one. But I really, look at that pink. It's got like a purple UV shift to it. It's beautiful. But I wanted it lighter, so I'm also mixing some white pigment into it as well. I really like this pigment powder because it's got like a really ultra fine shimmer to it. It's given the effect of a metallic balloon. So I'm using the Madam Glam silicone tool, and I'm just going to mould that into the shape of a balloon. I've got that exactly how I wanted it, and then I thought, why not make myself extra work? It's always good, isn't it, to make yourself extra work? Not. So I've took some of that balloon away because I wanted this other balloon to look like it was in front of the pink one. Instead of just doing them 2 separate balloons, which would have been so much easier, no, I wanted to make more work for myself, as you do. So yeah, I was really faffing with this for ages, so I'm not going to show you the whole process, or else you're going to be here all day. I'll just show you me doing a little bit of this, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's finished. I did forget to say as well, guys, I did cure that pink balloon before I laid that purple one. So I'm just adding 2 teeny tiny little balls now for the knot of the balloons, and then I'm going to give them a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So this is the Madam Glam's black gel paint, and I'm going to be doing some writing now. I should have done this before I top coated all the nails, but this is the good thing about Madam Glam's gel paint. You do not have to seal it with a top coat. It cures without a tacky layer, it cures glossy. So if, like me, you forgot to paint something and you've already top coated, it doesn't matter. You can then still go in and do whatever you wanted to do with that gel paint. You haven't got to re-top coat over the top of it. So on this pinky nail, I'm going to put EST for established. And then on the middle nail, I'm going to put 2014, which is when Madam Glam was founded. Now, I weren't too happy with this writing. I really wanted to use stickers, but I didn't have any number stickers. I only have letter stickers. So yeah, I decided I was going to have to paint it. So it looks like I'm going to have to do a little bit of shopping for some new stickers. So I'm going to cure those in the lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm just going to add one last layer of cream, and I'm going to stick a red crystal into that uncured cream. Pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds, and that will hold that in place. And that is the finished design, guys. What do you think? So I just want to say brownie points to those of you that have noticed that the balloons are upside down. Massive brownie points to you. Can't believe I've done that. I don't even know what I was thinking there. What do you think, guys? What do you think? I love that. Is it Lovesick? That holographic gel polish is absolutely beautiful. You can't really see it too well in the recording light, but to the eye, you can see it so clear. It's like a rainbow. It's beautiful. Especially when the sunlight hits it. It's really, really pretty. So yeah, that's them all done, guys. Like I said, these are going to be entered into the Madam Glam contest. Madam Glam's going to be putting out a post of everyone that's took part, and anyone can go and vote. So if you want to head over there, head on over to the Madam Glam. I think it's on their Instagram, I'm not sure. I'll have to let you know in the description box once I know. You can head on over there and you can vote yourself if you want to. Everything that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below. I have got a 30% off discount code for Madam Glam as well, guys, which is GG30. I shall pin that in my comments along with the link to the website. If you want to place an order, don't forget to pop that in at checkout. And yeah, I think that is everything. Again, I just want to say a happy birthday to Madam Glam. And thank you so much for asking me to take part in this. I really, really enjoyed it. Right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.